Hello students, welcome to the next video, 3 dimensional space class, 3D class 13, that is the 5th class of line. Before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति 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 सुस्थ. Today we are going to discuss what do we mean by skew line and what is the distance between two skew lines. Last class we are already discussed what is the angle between line and plane and the problems of textbook. So skew line. Skew lines, two lines are said to be skew lines. Two lines are said to be skew line if they are neither intersect nor parallel. Okay. That means these two lines lies on a different plane. That means these two lines lies on two different planes. Okay. If two lines lie on a plane, if they are neither parallel, they must be intersected. But in skew line means they are lie on two different planes. They are neither parallel nor intersect. Okay. So if these two lines neither parallel nor intersect, what is shortest distance between two skew line? The shortest distance between two skew line is the length of the perpendicular line, is the length of the line which is perpendicular to both of them line. That means shortest distance between two skew lines is called perpendicular distance of these two lines. Okay. Now shortest distance between two skew lines. The shortest distance between two skew lines, the shortest distance between two skew lines is the length of line which is perpendicular to these two skew lines. These two skew lines. Okay, that is the perpendicular distance between these lines is known as shortest distance between two skew lines. How to find shortest distance between two skew lines. How to find shortest distance between two skew lines, and also find the shortest distance perpendicular line equation, and the equation of the perpendicular line which is shortest distance, between these two lines. So now first we derive in a Cartesian form. Suppose this is two skew lines. Here this is capital L1 and this is L2 are the two lines. Let L1 x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1, and L2 x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2 are the two given equals of the line, are two given equation of lines. So in step 1 what we do, in step 1 first you take any point on the first line and any point on the second line. In step 1, okay, in step 1 this is any point on the first line, let it be P and Q. So P and Q is a line which is perpendicular to L1 and L2, then this distance PQ is known as shortest distance. So how to find its shortest distance? First you have to take any point, the coordinate of any point is P, any point of the first line let it be P, and any point of the second line let it be Q. ତେଣୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ୍ର ଏନି ପଏଣ୍ଟଟା P ବୋଲି କନସିଡର କରିବ, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲାଇନ୍ର ଏନି ପଏଣ୍ଟଟା Q ବୋଲି କନସିଡର କରିବ. ତ in step 1 take any point on the first line, that is x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1. So this is equal to, let it be k1 and this is equal to k2. So in step 1 what we do, P is equal to any point on the first line, that is x is equal to here a1k plus x1 or a1k1, okay, then y is equal to b1k plus y1 and that is equal to c1k plus z1. Any point on the first line let it be P, any point on the second line this is Q. So let it be k1, this is equal to k2, and Q equal to, here x is equal to a2 k2 plus x2 and this is b2 k2 plus y2 and this is c2 k2 plus z2. Okay, in step 2 find direction ratio of PQ, direction ratio of PQ and direction ratio of L1 and direction ratio of L2, direction ratio of L1 and L2. PQ perpendicular to L1 and PQ perpendicular to L2. By applying perpendicular condition, find the value of K1 and K2. Okay. In step 3, putting the value of K1 and K2, putting the value of K1 in coordinate of P, in the coordinate of P, and K2 in coordinate of Q. So P and Q are these 2 points we derived. Okay, so here P and Q are both are derived. Then using distance formula, step 4, using distance formula, find distance PQ, and also find, using 2-point formula, find the perpendicular equation of PQ. And 2-point formula, 2 points formula, find equation of perpendicular PQ. Find the perpendicular PQ, equation of perpendicular line PQ. Okay, so you know how to find the perpendicular distance between two skew lines and the equation of the perpendicular. So what we do, first you have to take any point of the first line and any point of the second line. This any point is equal to P, let it be considered, and any point of the second line it is considered a Q. Then find the direction ratio of PQ, direction ratio of L1 and direction ratio of L2. Then PQ perpendicular to L1, PQ perpendicular to L1 and PQ perpendicular to L2. So using perpendicular condition, find the value of K1 and K2. After find the value of K1 and K2, putting the value of K1 in coordinate of P and the value of K2 in the coordinate of Q. Okay, then you find the distance between P and Q using distance formula, and using 2-point formula, find equation of the perpendicular. Okay, so now we do some problem, perpendicular distance and the perpendicular equation. Find the shortest distance between the lines and the equation of the line measuring shortest distance, x minus 3 by 2 equal to y plus 15 by minus 7 equal to z minus 9 by 5, and x plus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 1 by 1 equal to z minus 9 by minus 3. You know the shortest distance between two skew line is the length of the perpendicular, which is length of the perpendicular between these lines. Okay, So first we draw this line. Suppose this is L1 and this is the second line L2. Let P and Q be the perpendicular distance, and this perpendicular is the shortest distance between two skew lines. Let it be P and Q. Okay. So answer. Let PQ be the line which is perpendicular to L1 and L2, and its length PQ ro mode is length of shorter distance. PQ ro mode, the length of PQ, distance PQ is length of shortest distance. Length of shortest distance. Okay. So here L1 x minus 3 by 2 y plus 15 by minus 7 equal to z minus 9 by 5, and L2 x plus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 1 by 1 equal to z minus 9 by minus 3. So first we take any point on the first line. This is P, let it be this one is equal to K1 and this is equal to K2. So P is equal to P the any point of the first line. Okay, so P is equal to 2K plus 3, 2K1 plus 3. Here this is equal to minus 7K1 minus 15, and this is equal to 5K1 plus 9. And Q is equal to second point, any point on the second line, that is equal to 2K2 minus 1, and this is K2 plus 1, and this is minus 3K2 plus 9. Next you have to find the direction ratio of PQ. Direction ratio of PQ is so final minus initial 2K2 minus 2K1, here minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, here K2 plus 7K1, K2 plus 1 minus of this one, so K2 plus 7K1, here 1 plus 15 16, minus 3K2 minus 3K1, minus 3K2 minus 5K1, 9 minus 9, this is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to 0, minus 3K2 minus 5K1 is 9 minus 0. Then direction ratio of the first line 2 minus 7 5 because it is a standard form, and direction ratio of the L2 2 1 minus 3. Direction ratio of L1 is 2 minus 7 5. Direction ratio of L2 is 2 1 minus 3. 2 1 minus 3. Okay. Since PQ perpendicular to L1, PQ perpendicular to L1, applying the perpendicular condition, PQ perpendicular to L1 and PQ perpendicular to L2. That implies by perpendicular condition, so 2 into 2K2 minus 2K1, 2 into 2K2 minus 2K1 minus 4 plus minus 7 into K2 plus 7K1, K2 plus 7K1 plus 16. Okay, K2 plus 7K1 plus 16 plus 5 into minus 3K2 minus 5K1 minus 3K2 minus 5K1 equal to 0. Multiplying this one, so 4K2 minus 4K1 minus 8 minus 7K2 minus 49K1. Okay, here minus 16 into 7, 7 6 42 minus 112. Okay, then minus 15K2 minus 25K1 equal to 0. तो 4K2 minus 7K2 minus 15K2, तो 4K2 minus 7K2, so this is equal to minus 3K2 ये minus 15K2, तो minus 18K2. Okay, minus 4K1 here minus 25, so minus 29K1 here minus 49K1, so minus 29 here minus 49, so this is equal to minus 9 9 18 here 4 2 6 7 minus 78K2. Okay, so here minus 8 minus 112 minus 120 is equal to 0. That implies so this is equal to here then which one is common? So this is equal to minus, तो take it common minus 6, तो minus 6 common कर ले, एटा कहता है 3K2, तो 3K2 plus ये 6 1 13K2, okay, plus 20 is equal to 0. That is 3K2 plus 13. So this is equal to minus 18K1. Okay, 18K1. Sorry, this is minus 78K1 and this is K2. So 3K2 plus 13K1 plus 20 is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Then again PQ perpendicular to L2. So by using perpendicular condition, so PQ perpendicular to L2 means this is equal to PQ perpendicular to L2 means what is the direction ratio of L2? 2, 1, minus 3, and direction ratio of PQ is equal to this one. So applying perpendicular condition, it will be 2 into 2K2 minus 1, sorry, 2K2 minus 2K1 minus 4 plus 1 into K2 plus 7K1 plus 16 plus minus 3 into minus 3K2 minus 5K1 minus 3K2 minus 5K1 is equal to 0. Are you understand? Here we applying perpendicular condition PQ perpendicular to L1, PQ perpendicular to L1 पकले condition आसिला, PQ perpendicular to L2 पकेबो कहीं L2 रो nearest होची 2 1 minus 3, PQ रो nearest होची एतिकी, so by perpendicular condition 2 into this one plus 1 into K2 plus 7K1 plus 16 minus 3 into minus 3K2 minus 5K1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 4K2 minus 4K1 minus 8 plus K2 7K1 plus 16 plus 9K2 plus 15K1 is equal to 0. So 4K2 plus K2 4 plus K कितना 5K2 5 ये 9 14K2 then minus 4K1 plus 7K1, so this is equal to minus 4K1 plus 7K1 3K1 है तो 3K1 plus 15K1 so 18 है ना yes so 15K1 plus 3K1 है 18K1 है ना तो minus 8 plus 16 तो 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so 2 common is that implies 2 common 7K2 plus 9K1 plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies 7K2 plus 9K1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Let it be equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, find the value of K1 and K2. So from 1 and 2, so this is in 1 3K2 plus 13K1 plus 20 is equal to 0. In K2 7K2 plus 9K1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so how to solve? This one is equal to so by using cross multiplication method, that is K2 by 13 into 4 52 minus 20 into 9 180. So K2 by 13 into 4 52 minus 20 into 9 180. So K1 by 20 into 7 140 minus 12. So 1 by using cross multiplication method 1 by 3 into 9 27 minus 13 into 7 13 into 7 7 3 is 21 7 1 7 into 9 91 okay, that implies K2 so 52 minus 180, so this is equal to 180 minus 52, so 8 ये 7 minus 5 this is 2. Okay, so 128 this is 128 here that implies K2 by 128 minus 128 is equal to K1 by here this is equal to 0 minus 2 8. Okay, then 3 minus 1 2, this is also 128 and this is equal to 1 by here 1 minus 7 so 4 ये 8 minus 2 8 minus 2 this is equal to 6 minus 64, so minus 64 that implies K2, so K2 equal to minus 128 by minus 64, so this is equal to 2 and K1 is equal to 128 by minus 64, so this is equal to minus 2. Okay, so k1 is equal to 2 and k2 is equal to k1 is equal to minus 2, okay, and k2 is equal to 2. So putting the value of k in the coordinate of p and putting the value of k2 in the coordinate of q. Okay, so what is p? That implies here p is equal to here p is equal to so this is equal to z minus 9 by 5, z minus 9 by 5. So what is p? Actually p is equal to what? 2k1 plus 3 minus 7k1 minus 15, and this is 5k1 plus 9, and q is equal to 2k2 minus 1. Q is equal to, what is value of q? Q equal to 2k2 minus 1 comma k2 plus 1 minus 3k2 plus 9. So putting the value of k1 in the coordinate of p, putting the value of k1 in p and k2 in q, that is p is equal to, so k1 ଆମର କେତେ ଆସିଛି minus 2 ଆସିଛି, तो minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 3, here minus 7 into minus 2 14 minus 15, here minus 10 plus 9, so this is equal to minus 1 and this is equal to minus 1, and q is equal to, putting the value of k2 in the coordinate of q, so q is equal to, here k2 is equal to 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1, this is a 2 plus 1, and this is equal to minus 6 plus 9, so 4 minus 1 3, this is also 3. Okay, so the perpendicular distance, the distance PQ equal to distance PQ equal to root of n 3 minus 1 3 plus 1 to square plus 3 minus 1 minus 1 3 plus 1 to square, and this is also 3 plus 1 to whole square. So this is 4 square 16 plus 16 plus 16. Okay, so this is equal to 48. So 48. Okay, so 48 is this is equal to 4 root 3. So this is equal to 4 root 3 unit. So the shortest distance equal to 4 root 3 unit, and the equation of the perpendicular PQ, equation of perpendicular PQ is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 using 2-point form equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Okay, so this is x minus x1, let it be considered x1 y1 z1, and this is x2 y2 z2, the point P x1 y1 z1, and this point Q is x2 y2 z2. So x minus 1, that is x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to z plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, Are you understand how to find the shortest distance between two skew line and what is the perpendicular equation also? That is the x plus 1 by 4, y plus 1 by 4 is equal to z plus 1 by 4. This is the equation of the perpendicular line and the shortest distance is 4 root 3. So in this way you have to find the perpendicular distance and perpendicular equation also. But if we ask what will be shortest distance between two skew line, then in such case we can also use by formula shortest distance between two line. The formula will be determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 ro determinant whole by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 ro square plus a1 c2 minus a2 c1 ro square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 ro whole square. जदि खाली शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला आम पचारि बा शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू स्क्यू लाइन पचार माने आम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी एप्लाई करें आम बाहर कर फॉर्मूला आम डेरिवेशन करिया बाय वेक्टर मेथड आम डायरेक्ट कार्टेशियन फॉर्म रे यू रिमेंबर दिस वन ओके वी कैन डिराइव आल्सो आम डेरिवेशन करिया बट डेरिवेशन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एग्जाम you only read the shortest distance formula we write the shortest distance okay जदि shortest distance ता खाली पचारियो मीन्स तमे डायरेक्ट से फॉर्मूला यूज करी पारियो किंतु जदि पचारियो इफ वी आस्क व्हाट इज द shortest distance between two skew line and also the perpendicular equation जदि equation ना पचारला means we must find the coordinate of p and q so it is compulsory to find the coordinate of p and q then you have to find the equation of the perpendicular से case रे p point q point बाहर करिया पड़ी जदि perpendicular equation पचारला perpendicular equation पचारले p q रा बाहर करिया पड़ियो आ जदि खाली shortest distance पचारला माने तमे डायरेक्ट फार्मूला मध्ये यूज कर पारियो ओके now we write the shortest distance between two skew line in formula. So the shortest distance formula between two skew line, suppose this line is L1 equal to x minus x1 by a1 equal to y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1 and L2 is x minus x2 by a2 equal to y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2. Then determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 रो determinant whole by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 रो square plus a1 c2 minus a2 c1 रो square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 रो square. Okay, if we ask only shortest distance between two line, you can apply formula. And shortest distance between two parallel line. If two lines are parallel, then what will be shortest distance? देखो दीरा लाइन जदि parallel हेतियो बोले distance टा सेठी कोन सबुडी समान होबो ना नहीं. So here distance between two parallel lines, distance between two parallel line is the perpendicular distance of the given point of the first line to the second line. Perpendicular distance of a given point of the first line to the second line. First line रो जो point आसी हम पाकर x1, y1, z1 ना ना a point to second line प्रति perpendicular distance टा बाहर करी पारियो बा second line रो given point to first line प्रति perpendicular distance टा बाहर करियो. You are already know how to find the perpendicular distance from a point to the given line. बुझे So what is the shortest distance between two skew line? This is the shortest distance between two skew line. And if two lines are intersect, jodi dira line intersect, these two skew line are intersect, then shortest distance. This is distance. Which will be shortest distance? This one is shortest distance. So shortest distance is 0. That means it will be is equal to 0. So this one is equal to 0 means x2 minus x1, y2 minus 1, z2 minus z1. a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 determinant 0. So these are line shortest distance माने कौन होची तीरा line जदि intersect होची if two lines are intersect then shortest distance is 0. Intersect means they are lie in one plane that is the condition for two lines are coplanar आम आगु discussion करथिले जे if two lines are coplanar or they are intersect the determinant must be 0. Okay, this is the distance between two parallel line and this is the formula of shortest distance between two skew line. But one thing remember, if we ask shortest distance and equation of the perpendicular, then it is compulsory to find the coordinate of P and Q. से P और Q रो coordinate बाहर करिया पड़ियो. P Q रो coordinate बाहर कला का तो मैं perpendicular रो equation बाहर कर पारिया. Distance ला तो मैं एमदी कर पारियो, किंतु equation बाहर करिया पाई बाध्य P Q रा बाहर करिया नियाती दरकार. Okay, next we do another problem. Find the equation of a plane containing the line x plus 2 equal to 2y minus 1 equal to 3z and parallel to the line x is equal to 1 minus 5y equal to 2z minus 7, and also find the shortest distance between these two lines. Here we ask equation of the plane containing the line and parallel to another line. You know equation of the plane containing L1 and L2 is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 determinant 0. Okay, so next you find shortest distance between two lines. If they are not parallel, then the shortest distance you can apply the formula, you find directly. देखो प्रथमे आम लाइन इक्वेशन बाहर करिया पड़ियो, सॉरी प्लेन इक्वेशन बाहर करिया पड़ियो. ए लाइन को कंटेन करछि, ए लाइन को पैरेलल होछि, सो यू कैन अप्लाई डायरेक्ट फार्मूला इक्वेशन द प्लेन. किंतु बट द सिमेट्री इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन इज इन सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म बट इट इज नॉट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. These are the symmetric form but it is not standard form. How can you know it is a standard form? The coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z must be 1. x, y, z रो coefficient 1 करिया but ना नहीं answer. Let the line, first line L1 equal to x plus 2, x plus 2 equal to 2y minus 1 is equal to 3z. So x plus 2 by 1 is equal to 2, take it common, this is y minus 1 is equal to 3z. So आम ये कौन करिया कहलो किसी ना बेले डिनोमिनेटर 1 अच्छी, एट भी डिनोमिनेटर 1 अच्छी, दिस इज आल्सो 1 अच्छी ना नहीं. तो 2 और 3 रो एलसीएम केते 6 रे डिवाइड कर दियो. तो दिस इज x plus 2 by 6 is equal to y minus 1 by 3 and this is equal to z by 2. z by 2 कहीं 86 डिवाइड करिया, 6 मल्टीप्लाई करी, 80 मल्टीप्लाई करी, 86 एला, एटा 3 एला, 82 एला, एटा 6 एला. एंड सेकंड लाइन रे कोन अछि L2 अछि, this is equal to x is equal to 1 minus 5y equal to 2z minus 7. So x is equal to minus 5 रा कॉमन नबो कहीं दि x y रो कोएफिशिएंट 1 करिया पड़ियो. So this is equal to minus 1 by 5, this is equal to y minus 1 by 5 है ना, minus 5y, ये minus minus plus 1 है ना. So this is equal to 2, take it common, z minus 7 by 2 है ना. ये minus 5 2 एलसीएम कहते हैं 10. So this is equal to x by 10, एटा y minus 1 by 5 by minus 2 मु 10 डिवाइड कर देली. So this is equal to z minus 7 by 2 by 5 है ना. ओके, सो 10 डिवाइड करिया द्वारा एटा x by 10 है, y minus 1 by 5 minus 2 है, ये z minus 7 by 2 by 5 है. So clearly we find the equation of the plane. This is a plane here containing this L1 and parallel to L2. So parallel हो कि containing L2, this plane contain L1 and L2 or containing L1 parallel to L2. Its equation will be equation of a plane is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 determinant is equal to 0. So what is x1, y1, z1? x1, y1, z1 is the point on the first line. So a line of point account here x1, y1, z1 is equal to -2 प्लस थे माइनस नब माइनस थे प्लस कनसीडर करियो तो दिस इज इक्वल -2 1 0 -2 1 here z means z minus 0 a1 b1 c1 a1 b1 c1 direction ratio of the first line. What is a1 b1 c1? 6 3 2 6 3 2 and direction ratio of a second line a2 b2 c2 is equal to 10 minus 2 10 minus 2 5. Substitute the value of x1 y1 z1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 in the equation of the plane. Okay, in the equation of the plane, so this is equal to that implies x minus 2 means x plus 2 y minus 1 and z minus 0 z a1 b1 c1 6 3 6 3 2. Okay, 6 3 2. Then a2 b2 c2 10 minus 2 5 10 minus 2 5 is equal to 0. Now expand it, so this is equal to x plus 2 into 3 into 5 15 plus 4 minus y minus 1 into y minus 1 into 6 5 30 minus 20 plus z into 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus 12 minus 30 minus 12 minus 30 is equal to 0. So 15 plus 4 19 19 into x plus 19x plus 38 here minus 10 sorry 10. तो माइनस 10 वही प्लस 10 कहीं 30 minus 20 10 है तो माइनस 10 वही प्लस 10 है यार minus 42 minus 42 z minus 42 z this is equal to 0. So that implies 19x minus 10y minus 42z minus 42z. Okay, 38 plus 10, so plus 48 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane containing one line and parallel to another line. Okay, next we find what are the shortest distance between these two lines. Next we find the shortest distance between these two lines. So clearly this is the line and this is the another line. Since direction ratio are not proportional, so they are not parallel. So not parallel means you have to find the shortest distance. Apply direct formula. Determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 by नहीं कि अच्छा एडू हम बाहर करिया पड़ियो x2 y2 z लेख x2 y2 z2. This is the point on the second line. Second line रो point केते कहलो यार x minus 0 अछि ना तो 0 1 by 5 7 by 2 0 1 by 5 7 by 2. Now we find the shortest distance between two lines. Here you can apply shortest distance formula. Okay, ए प्रॉब्लम पाई तो मैं डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज कर दबो काहे एडी इक्वेशन पचारनी ना. सो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस between these two lines determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 whole by root of b1 c2 minus b1 c2 minus b2 c1 square plus a1 c2 minus a2 c1 square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 square. Substitute this value. So x2 minus x1 means 0 minus 1 minus 2, 2, 1 by 5 minus 1, 1 by 5 है ना, 1 by 5 minus 1 कितना होगा? So this is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1 means this is minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5. Then z2 minus z1, 7 by 2 minus 0, this is 7 by 2 है लगी 0 x2 minus x1 माने 0 minus 1 minus 2 वाला 1 by 5 minus 1 वाले 1 by 5 minus 1 this is minus 4 by 5 वाला 7 by 2 minus 0, so this is 7 by 2 वाला. Next write the direction ratio 6 3 2. Next 10 minus 2 5 by root of eta into eta 3 into 5 15 minus minus plus rho square plus eta into eta 6 into 5 30 minus 20 rho square plus eta gala 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus 30 rho square. Okay, so this is equal to first यार value कितना आसे देख लो, तो its determinant value equal to this is a long type question, so 2 into here कितना आसे हो, तो 15 plus 4, तो 15 plus 4 2 into 15 plus 4 plus 4 by 5. Okay, तो 2 into 15 plus 4 है ला ये minus minus plus 4 by 5 into here this is equal to minus 30 minus, so this is equal to 6 into 5 30 minus 20, 30 minus 20 plus 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 into 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus 30 minus 12 minus 30 whole by root over, so 15 plus 4 19. Okay, so this is equal to 15 plus 4, so this is equal to 19 the square 30. Okay, so this is the 19 the square means 361 plus 30 minus 20 10 the square 100 plus, and this is equal to minus 42. Okay, तो minus 42 rho square, तो minus 42 rho square is equal to 1762, so this is equal to 17 yes वो नहीं, and minus 12 minus 30, so this is equal to 1764. Okay, so this is equal to 19 into 2 38, here also 30 minus 20 10, so 4 by 5 into 10 means this is equal to 4 by 5 into 10, so 2 5 2 जा 2 into 4 8 minus ये 7 by 2 into minus 42. So this is minus 21. Minus 7, 7 to the 40, 147 by root of n. This addition is equal to, here this is equal to 4 plus 1, 5, 6. Okay. So this is equal to 4, here 1, 5 hela. 6 plus 0 plus 6, 12. 2 ରହିଲା 1 ହେଲା 8 8 plus 1 9 9 plus 3 9 plus 3 12 1 here 1 2 नहीं कि so this is equal to 225 ହେଲା so this is equal to yes 8 plus 8 46 so this is equal to 46 minus 147 by root over 2 to 25. So this is equal to minus 101 by root over 2225 rho because distance never be negative. So this is equal to 101 by root over 225. So this is the shortest distance between two lines. Okay. So in this way you have to calculate. So by using all the concept of 3D straight line, you can do the problems of in your textbook. If you any doubt, then ask me in Google Meet class. Okay. Then your doubt, ask me in Google Meet class. Thank you. So line chapter is closed.